Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to withdraw money in Shopify. Well, as a customer, you cannot withdraw money from a Shopify store directly. However, if you are a Shopify store owner, you can withdraw your earnings by the following these simple steps. So first up, log into your Shopify account and click on Settings in the bottom left corner of your screen. And then just click on Payment Providers under the Payment section. And then just need to click on the payment provider that you have set up for your store, such as PayPal or Stripe. So once you setting up your payment provider, next is click on payout settings and then set up payouts. So fill out the required information such as your bank account details and then click save and wait for Shopify to verify your account. So once your account verified, you can click on payout and select the amount that you want to withdraw. Then enter any additional information requested, such as the payment method you want to use. And finally, click submit and wait for the payment to be processed. But you need to remember that depending on your payment provider and location, there may be additional fees or processing times associated with withdrawing money from your Shopify store. So that's how you basically withdraw money in Shopify. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.